Whoa, what up? What's up? First off, man, y'all go hit that subscribe button. Now looking at the box, see you got the black box, you got the 23 on this side. On the other side, you got the Jumpman logo. Y'all already know what it is. On the side, you see the Jumpman, black box, you got the wave going all the way around it. Like I say, man, y'all already know what this is, man. We ain't gotta play no games, man, you know what I'm saying? So look, hit that subscribe button. But after that, we about to take a look at the Air Jordan 11 Retro Cap and Gown, Prom Night, Blackout, whatever you call it, Stealth. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So now as we open the box, right, you can see that you have that typical Air Jordan 11 packaging. It's in black this time. You see the 11 Roman numerals going across the top. You got Tinker Made Them Shine. Y'all already know what it says, man. We ain't gotta go through all that. Fuck all that. Now looking at the paper, man, look, you got this black paper, but they got the little squares in it like on a little carbon fiber piece on the bottom of the shoe. You know what I'm saying? These do come double wrapped. You got the black paper, then you got the plain white paper. But enough of that, man. Let's get into the kicks, man. Here it is, the Air Jordan 11 Retro Cap and Gown, Prom Night, Blackout, Stealth, whatever you call it, you know what I'm saying? Now, I ain't even got to tell y'all how I feel about them. If you be following the channel, man, you already know I'm a fan of a black shoe. You understand what I'm saying? I'm into the colored shoes, man. I don't really like white shoes, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'd rather colors on them, you know, but here we go looking at the shoe, man. You see that patent leather all around. You know, you see that nubuck. Pretty dope. And with that black Jumpman. Fire. 23 on the back in black. On the inside, you see you got, well, you probably can't see it. You got the Jumpman on the inside. You see the Jumpman logo going across the top on the tag. I mean, it's pretty simple, man, you know. Let's look at the bottom. Y'all already know what's happening with these, man, you know. You probably saw them already. But if you didn't, I'm going to give you a little view of them, you know what I'm saying? Now, we don't have my size in right now. You know what I'm saying? So that's a big, see that carbon fiber plate on the bottom. But yeah, man, we ain't got my size in right now, so I'm going to have to hold on that on foot until tomorrow. Because that's when my size coming in, you know what I'm saying? But I just wanted to do this little review and get it to y'all, man, you know. So tomorrow I'm going to do a little on foot, you know what I'm saying? Let y'all see what's happening. You know, and we're going to go from there. You know what I'm saying? But I think it's a dope shoe, man. I think it's sick. You can rock this shoe so many different ways, man. You know, it's, you know, it is what it is, though, man. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazelle504, and I'ma holla back.